I was diagnosed with stage 3 breast cancer.
When you got to know, the world obviously would have come collapsing.
Not many. Before Rocky told me about my diagnosis, उसके घर आने से पहले I had ordered Faluda. Told my brother कि it's been ages I have not had Faluda. Let's call for Faluda. And the doorbell rang, and I was like, Faluda आया है, सब ठीक होगा.
You had the Faluda.
Yeah, we had
after.
the Faluda.
This is what makes you the right guest for Women's Day.
There are women who deal with their sufferings, their hardships, their pain, and at the same time they run their families. Look at you, happy Women's Day. You're doing so well in your life. We get to see who you are as a person. So I have a beautiful woman right in front of me. Cancer is something that doesn't discriminate. It can happen to anyone. I did everything possible. I lived my life. I traveled, I scuba dived.
Really?
Yeah.
Through this treatment?
Through this treatment.
Chemotherapy में scuba dive.
I consciously decided that I'm not going to talk about pain. I don't want any sympathy in my journey. I ate everything. I have been in touch with so many women. Tahira, Mahima, Sonali, Samantha.
We also saw your post of how supportive Rocky has been,
Oh my
right?
God. Yeah. He's a rock star. I don't have words to explain that man. I choke when I talk about him. Every woman deserves a man like him. Because of the chemotherapy,
Yeah.
nails have turned dark हो गए हैं बहुत. या skin पे भी pigmentation है. I am still letting my hair grow. When the hair grows back after
Yeah.
the treatment,
Yeah.
your hair grows back curly, and
Right.
such hair is called chemo curls.
Oh, okay.
And let's see
Listen,
थोड़े बहुत
next-
curls मेरे भी आ जाएं. I'd like to tell all the women of the world, please get yourself screened at least once in a year.
I mean, life would always throw adversities at you and at the wrong time. And we're just talking about one health as an issue. You know, a lot
you
of
have
women,
to realize.
of course. शतरंज का खेल हो या रियल लाइफ, रानी हमेशा राजा से ज्यादा ताकतवर होती है। और आज की हमारी इस गेस्ट ने ये साबित भी कर दिया। जिंदगी चाहे जितने भी चैलेंजेस इनके सामने लाए, इन्होंने हर मुश्किल का मुस्कुराते हुए सामना किया। शी इज नॉट जस्ट एन एक्टर बट ऑल्सो अ फाइटर एंड अ ट्रू इंस्पिरेशन। सो ऑन दिस एपिसोड ऑफ वुमेन्स डे संडे ब्रंच स्पेशल, हम लेंगे इफ्तारी का मजा विद हिना खान। लेट्स गो। वेलकम बैक हिना, रमजान मुबारक सबसे पहले तो।
थैंक यू सो मच। लास्ट टाइम हम 2 साल पहले मिले
हाँ जी।
एंड हमने पूरा गोरेगांव एक्सप्लोर किया था तब। आई रिमेम्बर हमने वो पानी पूरी की वो बहुत ही क्यूट सी छोटी सी रील बनाई थी। इनफैक्ट शुरू में तो झगड़ा भी हो गया था, रिमेम्बर?
यस, पार्किंग को
Yeah,
लेकर,
parking
गाड़ी
को
को
लेकर।
लेकर।
Should
गुड
we manage?
मेमोरी यू हैव। मैं भूल गई थी, आपको याद है?
I remember that shoot very well.
इट्स ऑलवेज फन टाइम विद यू।
मैं तो I just can't get over her hair. I'll tell you, whenever I see her, I tell her that, you know, I have always craved to have such hair. Let me tell you something, I
हाँ.
had such hair in my childhood. फिर पता नहीं क्या हो गया, फिर straight हो गए।
Straight हो
अभी तो है ही नहीं, वो अलग बात है। आ रहे हैं धीरे धीरे। They often say कि when the hair grows back after
Yeah.
the treatment,
Yeah.
your hair grows back curly, and
Right.
such hair is called chemo curls.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you're hoping for that.
Yeah, let's see कि
Let's
ऐसे
see.
कुछ थोड़े
So
बहुत curls मेरे भी आ जाए।
Maybe next time जब हम मिलेंगे दोनों के कर्ली बाल।
Curly बाल होंगे, yeah.
तो आज फास्ट कर रहे हो आप?
नहीं, आज मैं फास्ट नहीं कर रही हूँ।
हाँ.
पहले 3 दिन मैंने रोजा रखा। नॉट बिकॉज आई कैन नॉट, आई वॉज अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह डूइंग रियली वेल। कोई दिक्कत नहीं हो रही थी। आई वॉज एक्सरसाइजिंग, डूइंग एवरीथिंग, बट आई वॉज नॉट गेटिंग स्लीप, सो आई
Yeah.
टुक अ ब्रेक टुडे। माई सहरी स्टार्ट्स विद अ डेट। देयर इज
Okay.
वन फॉर्म ऑफ अ डेट विच इज कॉल्ड अजवा। तो
Ajwa.
दे से दैट इफ यू हैव 7 ऑफ देम इन अ डे, आपको कभी कोई बीमारी नहीं होगी, कभी कोई तकलीफ नहीं होगी। एंड इट्स वेरी रेयर टू फाइंड। यूजुअली यू गेट अजवाज इन Saudi, the pure ones and
Right.
everything, or UAE, Middle East.
Yeah.
If you you have acidity, if you have it empty stomach,
Right.
it really helps. So I have one ajwa before sehri. I start my sehri and I break my fast with ajwa. मैं तो सब खाती हूँ.
Okay. I know. Last time जब हम मिले थे,
Yeah,
you
मैं
said मैं
सब-
कोई डाइट नहीं करती, मेरे
Yeah.
को जो अच्छा लगता है मैं वो खाती
I know,
हूँ.
like in these months also in my journey, मैंने सब खाया. Whenever I used to go see my doctor, I used to tell him, doctor, please मेरे खाने पे रोक मत लगाना, please. There were days when I
Yeah.
could not even take the smell of food. Apart from those days, there were really nice, good, alhamdulillah, great days too.
तो आज हमने यहाँ पर डेट्स रखे हैं आपके लिए और यहाँ पर कुछ पेपर पे कोई एक वर्ड लिखा है और उससे जुड़ी आपको मुझे कुछ यादें बतानी है.
रहमत. यही चाहिए बस इस वक्त, मुझे इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं चाहिए. ऊपर वाले की रहमत. हेल्प मी एंड गिव मी कंप्लीट शिफा. शिफा मींस क्योर. विद अ लॉट ऑफ ह्यूमिलिटी आई कीप रिपीटिंग दिस कि मुझे इतनी ज्यादा स्ट्रेंथ दी है ऊपर वाले ने.
आपको जो स्ट्रेंथ दी है ना, जो इस वक्त गुजर रहे हैं इससे, यू हैव नो आइडिया आप कितनी स्ट्रेंथ अपने से वहां तक एग्ज्यूट कर रहे हैं.
I'm sure. I keep getting millions of such DMs. I don't know who this girl is. She's from South Africa. She's a
Okay.
Muslim. वो मेरे साथ अपनी जर्नी तो शेयर करती हैं just to give me strength. So when you say ना that I have given strength to people, I also have gotten strength from a lot of people. She often tells me कि please मेरी photos कभी किसी को मत दिखाना. But she removes her hijab in the pictures and the videos she sends me. This is how I look. It is okay. See, my hair has grown this long.
Yeah.
But don't show my pictures to anyone. I always
Yeah.
wear hijab. But to you, I'm sharing. And I don't know her. There's so much love and people want to give that love, that strength, pass it on to me. Then why not me pass it on to people? Okay, let me pick the next one. Barkat! I love this. I love this game. बस यही तो चाहिए यार. रहमत, बरकत,
इतने
यही
प्यारे
चाहिए.
प्यारे वर्ड्स है ये.
I swear.
दुआ.
Dua. So it is right. I mean, क्या हो रहा है ये? Seriously, whoever I meet nowadays, I just tell them one thing. At last, before I part ways with them, please pray for me. So whatever is reaching me is exactly what I want. Whatever is
Right.
reaching you is exactly what I want.
भूख लगी है अब.
हाँ जी, please let's
शुरू
order
करें?
something. Yes.
चलो, लेट्स
Yes.
बिगिन.
रमजान वाइब्स आ रही हैं एकदम. जैसे यहाँ इफ्तारी बहुत ग्रैंड होती है, बॉम्बे, हैदराबाद, एनीवेयर. बट इन कश्मीर इट्स नॉट दैट ग्रैंड. थोड़ा सा फलूदा बनता है, 2-4 खजूर खा लेते हैं और एक आधा कुछ खीर वगैरह बनती है. वी आर मोर ऑफ राइस ईटर्स. थोड़ा छोटा मोटा इफ्तारी कर लिया और उसके बाद फिर प्रॉपर डिनर किया. वी मेक श्योर दैट हम कुछ 2 अच्छी चीजें बनाए, वेदर इट्स प्याज के पकौड़े नहीं तो कुछ हेल्दी बना दिया, कोई पुडिंग बना दी, चिया सीड पुडिंग बना दी.
And look at us, we are enjoying Asian meal today at Yazoo. But आपको वैसे is this your favorite cuisine?
I like Pan Asian, Cantonese. I'm very fond of it, which is why I said that this place is one of my favorite places.
आपका personal favorite क्या? I can see sushi. There is this prawn chung fang which is my personal favorite.
Yeah, you like
I'm
it?
going to add this sauce.
You must try this.
Yes.
स्पेशली आफ्टर दिस जर्नी, मेरे लिए हर दिन वुमेन्स डे है. मेरे लिए हर दिन ये इम्पोर्टेंट है कि मैं दूसरी औरत का क्राउन फिक्स करूं. मुझे बार बार ये चीज़ बोलनी पड़ रही है, बट यू चेंज एज अ पर्सन व्हेन यू आर हिट with such a blow in your life. You change, your perception changes and you become so empathetic, emotional, compassionate. Yes, you're right. Where you just want to do better for people. You just want to help them because you have been through so much. Because my journey, my diagnosis is more driven towards women. I was diagnosed with stage 3 breast cancer. There are women who deal with this, who deal with their sufferings, their hardships, their pain, and at the same time they run their families. They look after their children, their loved ones, their husbands, their spouses. They do everything hands on. All of this has given me so much strength that we women are so strong. Not that we are diagnosed with something and after that life stops or life changes. We keep doing what we are doing. औरत के अंदर जो शक्ति है वो किसी में नहीं है, trust me.
आपका जो recent show गृह लक्ष्मी, उसमें एक डायलॉग है, शतरंज के खेल में रानी हमेशा राजा से ज्यादा ताकतवर होती है. I think it's true in real life also.
It is. So for me, every day is a Women's Day, and I have so much respect for everyone. Look at you. Look at you. Happy Women's Day. I mean, first of all, I would like to say to you. I mean, you
To
meet
you
so
too,
many
Happy
people.
Women's Day.
You're doing so well in your life. Your journey, it's so inspirational, yaar. You meet so many people. You extract information. You extract their emotions. Bring it out on social media, and we get to see that. And at the same time, we get to see who you are as a person. I love this side of yours, and I
Thank
really,
you.
really appreciate. So I have a beautiful woman right in front of me. I don't
Coming
have to go
from
anywhere.
you, it feels very, very special. Hina, in this journey, जो आप बता रहे हैं, at no point did I feel like you ever got into a self-pity mode.
Anyone who's been diagnosed with something like this, उससे ज़्यादा ना जो difficult होता है ना, वो caregiver के लिए होता है. Caregiver को अपने आप को भी देखना होता है, घर भी देखना होता है, फाइनेंसेस भी देखने होते हैं, सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज देखनी होती हैं, खाना पीना रहना अपना और पेशेंट का भी. दैट वेज आई वाज ब्लेस्ड टू हैव द राइट पीपल अराउंड मी हु हैव जस्ट लिफ्ट मी अप लाइक दिस. एंड नॉट जस्ट माय फैमिली, द पीपल आई मेट, द पीपल आई स्पोक इन दिस जर्नी, फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री, फ्रॉम द एंटरटेनमेंट बिजनेस. कैंसर इज समथिंग दैट डजंट डिस्क्रिमिनेट. It can happen to anyone. We don't even talk about the C word. We are so scared. Forget about getting tested. And if I choose to display that pain on my social media platforms or where I speak, then how am I spreading awareness? There is pain. There is lot of pain. But then, as I always say, if there are bad days, there are good days too. There are a lot of good days where I ate food, I did everything. I fought with my doctors. I did everything possible. I lived my life. I traveled. I scuba dived.
Really?
Yeah.
Through this treatment?
Through this treatment, I did everything. बहुत ज़रूरी है लोगों को ये बताना कि ये साइड भी है. आई एम वेरी क्लियर विद दिस दैट आई डोंट वांट एनी सिंपैथी. इट्स बीन 8-9 months. आई एम गोइंग थ्रू अ प्रोसेस. आई एम गोइंग थ्रू अ जर्नी. आई टॉक अबाउट इट, but I talk about in good spirit that this is how you need to lead your life. This is how you need to live your life.
What's tougher as per you, going through the physical pain or suffering, or the emotional and the mental battles that you are fighting?
It is mind over matter, 1000%. It is all here. If you know BK Shivani ji, I remember when I was diagnosed, she called me up and she wanted to meet me. I went, I met her. She gave me a long lecture. Like I was with her for like 4-5 hours.
I've met her. She's wonderful.
Yeah, she's wonderful. She's introduced me to people who have healed me in this journey, and I am in touch with. They counsel me, they heal me. All of this works. I was in touch with Tahira. I was in touch with Mahima, Sonali.
Yeah.
Samantha, she's such a darling. Yeah, she's also going through a phase in her life. So much power, so much strength these women have given me. See, I'm in the middle of my treatment. I
Right.
still have like good 6-7 months का treatment left. Cancer survivor तो नहीं कहूँगी अपने आप को. I wish I can say this very soon that I am one of
You are.
I-
Come on, you're a rock star.
I wish, because you know how it is. You have to wait for 2-3 years for it to not come back. So let's hope for the best.
We also saw your post of how supportive Rocky has been.
Oh my
right?
God, yeah. He's a rock star. ये जो जर्नी होती है ना, इसमें एक आपको एक बहुत ही सुलझा हुआ, अंडरस्टैंडिंग, पेशेंट पार्टनर अगर मिल जाए तो nothing like it. The journey becomes even more sweeter. And Rocky's family, Rocky's sisters, my own mother, my family. When I take his name, I don't have words to explain that man. That what has he done in this journey, and how he has been with me and held my hand throughout in this journey, and he will always do that. That's the man he is.
I hope these are tears of joy, right?
These are tears. I get overwhelmed. I choke when I talk about him.
Literally like a God-sent partner for you.
Yeah, he is. Trust me when I say this, that every woman deserves a man like him.
How long have you known Rocky for?
More than 12 years. We met on a set on my first show. We met over there, and we were friends for a good 6, 7, 8 months. We realized that I think we are in love. We never proposed. We've still not proposed to each other.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was very organic. Yeah, we just realized one fine day we hugged each other and we realized, well, this is not a normal hug. कुछ घंटियां बज रही हैं. We bond on food. We travel. We love traveling, and I think it's just the understanding. There's so much love, alhamdulillah. Touch wood, touch wood, touch wood, touch wood, touch wood. There's a lot of love in between us. This really hit him hard. And one fine day, we got to know his blood pressure has hit 220. I was with him for 3-4 days while I was going through my chemotherapy. There was a switch, and all the nurses in hospital was, ये caregiver bed पे है और जो bed पे होना चाहिए वो care कर रहा है. 4-5 दिन we were in the hospital because he was getting treated there. I realized कि आप कितना भी अपने, he's someone who meditates, who does stuff, who keeps himself calm. He's not he's not that kind of a person. तो अगर उसके साथ हो सकता है तो किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है. It's how adversity hits you. Sometimes you just don't know, but आपके body के अंदर क्या हो रहा है. That's when we realized he was diagnosed with hypertension and he never had it. बहुत सारी चीजें हुई, बहुत सारे बदलाव आए, बट कोई बात नहीं है. I always tell him this, I cannot love you the way you love me. When I was in extreme pain, nobody was recording. People were helping me out with it, you know. ऐसे कई सारे incidents हैं जिनके बारे में मैं सिर्फ बोल सकती हूँ, captured memory नहीं है. But he often says कि मुझे समझ नहीं आता मैंने अलग क्या किया है. Don't you think this is what a partner should do?
Yeah.
In such times, that's the quality of a good man. He doesn't take pride in this.
He doesn't even realize
He
it
doesn't
actually.
even realize it. For him, he's like, मैंने क्या एक्स्ट्रा क्या किया है, यही करोगे ना आप.
What is it that you would like to tell the women out there, you know, because I think हम सब करते हैं, जैसे आपने बताया, they are still running homes even though they are going through something. अपनी health को इतना prioritize नहीं करते हैं.
You know, when I was diagnosed, my first question to the doctor was कि is there any age when this happens? You know, you start getting symptoms of breast cancer and all of that. कोई उम्र है? Said Hina, I have patients, I have women in their 20s getting breast cancer in India. So सबसे ज़्यादा क्या जरूरी है ना कि हम स्क्रीनिंग्स नहीं कराते हैं. It takes 15 minutes. It is so important for every woman across the globe to get screened at least once in a year. I used to do that. मेरा केस थोड़ा अलग है जहाँ पर मैंने realize किया कि I think once in a year is not enough after a certain period of time.
You were doing it consistently?
Every year. I am somebody who looks after herself like how? It happened in last 4 months.
कराने के 4 महीने
पहले.
Oh.
Please get yourself screened at least once in a year. Breast cancer is serious. It's not that simple. You will not even realize when you will land up from stage 0 to 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. Sometimes there are some lumps which are found in your breast but are not cancerous. They are not malignant. They are benign. Get them removed in time before they turn malignant. And early detection is a lifesaver. It's like half battle won, I always say. So even if it's stage 0, you're safe. बाकी ऑफ कोर्स जिसको बचना है, जिसकी किस्मत में लिखा है, वो स्टेज 4 से भी लौट के आएगा. वी हैव ह्यूज एग्जांपल्स लाइक संजय दत्त, सोनाली बेंद्रे. Probably I may have landed to stage 4 had I not realized it, because I do self checkups. My gynecologist had taught me this. I used to do it once in fortnightly, like once in 2 weeks or once in 3 weeks. I used to do it. That's when I realized that there's some lump sort of a thing which I'm feeling. Not because it wasn't my time.
Yeah.
मैं 1 साल पहले screening करा चुकी थी.
And you were also shooting, right?
I was shooting, yes. I was shooting. I knew something's wrong, but वो होता है ना, आप worst थोड़ी सोचते हैं यार. कभी आपके साथ कुछ होता है, आप सोच सकते हैं कि ठीक है, कुछ है, ठीक हो जाएगा. I called up my gynac. She put me on some medication.
And I'm sure when you got to know, the world obviously would have come collapsing at least for some time.
The day I got to know, उसके 15 मिनट बाद, बिफोर रॉकी टोल्ड मी अबाउट माई डायग्नोसिस, उसके घर आने से पहले आई हैड ऑर्डर्ड फालूदा. आई हैड टोल्ड माई ब्रदर कि इट्स बिन एजेस आई हैव नॉट हैड फालूदा, लेट्स कॉल फॉर फालूदा. When Rocky came, he told me about it and the doorbell rang. This news was about to consume me and the doorbell rang and it was Faluda. And I was like, Faluda आया है, सब ठीक होगा. It's come at the
Really?
right time. I swear.
And you had the Faluda.
Yeah, we had
after.
the Faluda.
This is what makes you the right guest for Women's Day. This is the kind of strength we need. I mean, life would always throw adversities at you and
Yeah.
at the wrong time. And we're just talking about one health as an issue. You know, a
Aw,
lot
you
of
have
women,
tears in your
of
eyes.
course. You know, I mean, as women, I think we all go through so many different aspects in our lives, be it relationships, be it health, be it our responsibilities.
Yeah.
But to keep going
Yeah,
is something I think
Yeah.
only women are that resilient.
Yes, we are that resilient. We have got that courage. We are warriors.
And you said fixing each other's crown all the time.
Yes. I completely and truly believe in it that we don't have to drag other women down. We have to fix each other's crown.
Absolutely. Chalo, abhi let's talk about fun.
Yes.
बकेट लिस्ट में क्या क्या है, क्या क्या डाला है अभी आपने, क्या क्या करना है आपने?
कोरिया जाना है मुझे.
कोरिया, अच्छा.
आजकल मुझे पता नहीं क्या हो गया. I'm like I really want to go to Korea. I've been telling Hina I'm after her life. My manager
हाँ.
keep telling her.
उसका भी नाम हीना है.
Yeah, my
अच्छा.
manager's name is also Hina because of the chemotherapies, everything. You know,
Yeah.
nails have turned. मुझे nail polish से छुपाना पड़ता है, but dark हो गए हैं बहुत chemotherapy की वजह से. Yeah, skin पे भी of course pigmentation है, ये है वो है because of chemotherapy. So I want to look after my skin. You know, I've been that person. I want to look after myself, my hair, my skin, my body. Skin की बात आती है तो only place you can think of is Korea, right?
Yeah.
So I tell her that please send me there. यार मैं कुछ अच्छे facials और कुछ अच्छे products लेकर आऊँगी वहाँ से.
But you've been allowed to travel and do whatever.
I was allowed.
Any restrictions that have been put on you?
The
since
only
then?
restriction which was put on me in my chemotherapy was not to shoot with more than 15 people.
But other than that, there's no restriction.
No, apart from that, khana, nothing at all.
आप खा लो, then I want to ask you about scuba diving. But first you eat.
जब मैंने ये कॉल दिया कि मुझे स्कूबा डाइविंग करनी है,
ये ऐसे ही randomly decide किया आपने.
that's how I am. Not that I haven't scuba dived, I have
Yeah.
scuba dived million times. Chemotherapy में scuba dive.
Aren't you like the first person to do this?
ऐसा लगता है because I am a public figure. I am no special. कमाल काम नहीं किया है. People have run marathons in chemotherapy. बोला you can swim in a pool, in a plunge pool, which is not a public pool.
Is it because immunity
Immunity
low
drop
हो
हो जाती है.
Okay,
Yes,
हाँ.
that's right.
इसीलिए that's why you don't even want more than 15 people
Yeah,
around
yeah,
you.
yeah. Less people, less crowd. I went to places where there were plunge pools and all, so that I can only swim in the pool. उसके बाद मैंने बोला मुझे स्कूबा डाइविंग करनी है. मैं समंदर में जा सकती हूँ. तो my doctor is telling me, Hina, try avoid going in the sea. Because आप समंदर में जाएंगे तो वहाँ और भी लोग होंगे. मैं कहा, what if I go in the middle of the sea where there's no one? हाँ, वहाँ तो पानी क्लियर होगा. Are you traveling international? मैंने कहा yes. Where are you going? मैंने कहा I'm going to Maldives. So there were a lot of precautions and everything taken, and then I went, took permissions, and I am somebody, I will never listen to one doctor. You know, I have a doctor in MD Anderson. I have a doctor in Sloan, New York. I actually have a doctor. मैं एक डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करके कोई डिसीजन नहीं लेती हूँ. जो भी मैंने मेरी जर्नी में किया है, मेरे कई डॉक्टर्स रहे हैं कि अगर इन्होंने परमिशन दिया तो दूसरे से परमिशन लेती हूँ. सभी ग्रीन सिग्नल देते हैं ना, देन आई यूज्ड टू डू दैट एक्टिविटी. मैंने स्कूबा डाइविंग की और वहाँ पर जाके I decided, I went like 9-10 meters down, and I decided that every meter I will observe myself, whether I'm able to take it or not. It was alhamdulillah smooth. I did it pretty well.
What about stamina? Stamina also must be reduced.
होता है.
right? Yeah.
होता है, फर्क पड़ता है, but then
हाँ.
it also depends on how active you keep yourself. And again, I am telling you, Kamya, everybody is
It's
different.
Right.
Not necessary if I am taking a drug, a chemotherapy drug. Not necessary if somebody else over there is taking the same drug will respond exactly the way I responded.
Got it.
I was like, this is some sort of an achievement. उससे पहले मैंने कई बार किया है scuba dive, but this one was an
Was
achievement.
special, of
Was
course.
special. Yeah, was
Talk about financial independence also, because it's Women's Day and I think they should also look after their own finances.
Like
Insurance
cancer.
वगैरह करवाया था आपने?
ये
पहले?
आप एक बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन आपने छेड़ा है. मेरा इंश्योरेंस ना बहुत ज़्यादा बिग अमाउंट, हेफ्टी अमाउंट का नहीं था. अगर आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों को ये बात पता नहीं होगी कि एक बार जब आपको कुछ बहुत बड़ी डिजीज से डायग्नोसिस होता है आपका, उसके बाद आपका इंश्योरेंस कभी भी फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, लाइक अगर 5-6 साल 7 साल 8 साल तक आपको कुछ नहीं हुआ तो शायद आप अपना अमाउंट बढ़ा सकते हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, लाइक माई इंश्योरेंस वॉट एवर अमाउंट सपोज टू इट वॉज 10 lakh rupees. I will never have it more than 10 lakh rupees. Insurance plays a very, very, very important part. आपको नहीं पता होता है कब आपकी ज़िंदगी में क्या हो जाए, तो आप अगर अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं तो प्लीज़ सब कुछ छोड़ के सबसे पहले एक अच्छा बहुत बड़े अमाउंट का इंश्योरेंस कराएं अपना. बिकॉज ऐसी जो डिजीजेस होते हैं, जब आपको ऐसी चीज़ों के साथ डायग्नोज होते हो आप, तो आपके कैसे लाखों निकल जाते हैं ना, कि करोड़ तक कैसे पहुंच जाता है आपको पता भी नहीं चलता है. जितना भी सब कुछ छोड़ो, 1 साल कपड़े मत खरीदो, 1 साल आप घूमने मत जाओ, but get yourself insured.
And there's so many women out there who actually can't afford. Imagine money becomes a reason
Money
to be
becomes a reason.
not able to
able
afford a
insure.
treatment.
Yeah.
Treatment and of course insurance.
Insurance, yeah, 100%. There are so many. So then we have hospitals like Tata Hospital and all like that. I go there, I see. They do a lot. Yeah. Hats off to the team, the medical team, the healthcare professionals, and the patients.
What's happening on work front?
I do little shoots here and there, but full-fledged I haven't started. I am still letting my hair grow, but nonetheless I am ready. I have given the word out.
But this is looking very nice.
I'm spreading the word again, guys. I'm ready to shoot, ready to rock and roll. So yeah, hoping for the best. Let's see.
Yes, and we hope to see you back on
Yeah,
screen very
inshallah,
soon,
inshallah.
and we hope to see you in South Korea as well.
Yeah, please.
आपकी
Korea.
आपकी सारी बकेट लिस्ट पूरी
Bucket
हो,
list पूरी।
रहमत बनी रहे,
इंशाल्लाह।
बरकत भी रहे,
और दुआ,
और दुआ। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you,
इट्स
Kamya.
बीन लवली। पर हमने खाना नहीं खाया,
Yeah,
इतनी
खाते
सारी
हैं।
बातें कर ली हमने।
Yeah.
वी शुड ईट दिस आल्सो। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you.